The latest change to the NCIDQ exam is that we have transitioned the paper and pencil practicum to a computerized platform, now known as Practicum 2.0.
One of the reasons that we implemented the change to the exam was to take us into the next century of testing, keep up with what's the industry standard. All the other allied professions are doing the same thing. We're all going computerized, trying to make it easier for the candidates to take the exam and also to be able to get scores back to the candidates quicker. Everything's computerized, we don't need to do the hand grading. It's, do you know the material or not?
Furthermore, it offers us the ability to provide a more efficient and objective testing experience while still assessing the same levels and rigor of knowledge.
The undertaking of taking the exam computerized from where we were with the hand-drawn is a very large undertaking. We had to make sure the rigor of the exam stayed the same, but change the questions to be more appropriate for computerized settings. We went through multiple versions of fine-tuning the exam to get it to the exact point we wanted it. The questions needed to be quick to answer, but still get at the heart of what we're testing, which is protecting the safety and welfare of the public.
The practicum exam, like all our exam sections, is created from a blueprint derived from the practice analysis. The practice analysis is an in-depth study that we do every 5 years. In this case, 2014, in which we surveyed nearly 800 interior designers about how interior design is practiced in the field. We do that in order to make sure that our exam aligns with the current practice of design.
The exam is based on a 3-part system for the PRAC 2.0. We have a large-scale commercial, a small-scale commercial, and a residential component. Each of them are case studies, and you're given a list of different types of a program, the plans, some information that you'll need to synthesize, and then you take those and answer a series of questions based on each case study.
The new exam is more efficient because, unlike the old exam, which was 8 hours and spread out over 7 sections, this is now a 4-hour exam with 120 questions that still measures the same level of competencies with the same rigor.
The exam tests 4 different content areas. We have construction documents, codes and standards, but then we also get into building systems and integration, and also program and site analysis. So it tests 4 different types of very key critical parts of how an interior designer needs to work in their standard practice.
We're happy to announce that the new practicum exam will be available starting in October 2017 at Prometric testing centers across North America throughout the months of April and October.
Candidates can learn more about PRAC 2.0 by going to the CIDQ.org website, where we have a lot of information, different study materials, and a 13-question exam that they can get a feel for the different types of questions offered.
We're excited about this new step for the interior design profession, and we look forward to offering candidates a more accessible and convenient means of taking the NCIDQ exam.
We're looking forward to having a lot of people sign up and take the exam.